Alright guys, I ordered some blending boards from Brother Drum Carter, and I don't know why there's 3 boxes. I only ordered 2 of these things. I only paid for 2. So I don't know why there's 3 boxes, but okay, so I've got 3 boxes for, well, I did have that upside down. Oh well. Let's see what we've got here. So I don't know which one this is. I ordered 2 different styles of blending board, and I think this one is the standard because yeah, this is the standard one. Comes with 2 different burnishing brushes. I'm not sure what it's the direction the tines are facing. Oh, interesting. So this one, the tines are bent like this, and on this one, they're bent the other direction. So this is how they're going the same direction right now. That's interesting. Comes with a paintbrush in case you want to do that. Okay, comes with, ow, very smooth dowels, which are about the size of the dowels that I have for my homemade one. All of Brother products come with one of these. Okay, and then we've got the blending board itself, which is the same size as the one I've got. It just doesn't have all the wood around it because mine is homemade and I had it customized. There are 3 different places to attach the stand, and I don't know where I want it, so I'm not going to attach it right now. And this nifty little handle. Otherwise the board is incredibly small. It's just exactly the size as the carding cloth, but it's feeling really sturdy, and the wood is quite thick. Okay, so let's see what's in the next box, because I could swear I only ordered one of these. Okay, this is the one with my label on it. I don't want to show that. So this is the other one. This is the cheaper version. I suspect it is a smaller blending board. Yes, it is. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. I was very curious about these. So this is the budget version, and I really like the wood. I like the handle. It also has a stand. It's got 3 different places to put it. It's got a nifty little screw, but it does not have, I'm going to put it in the middle for now. It does not have a nifty handle. So you literally have to screw it in. And you can turn it this way and hold it between your knees, or you can keep it this way. This will be great for playing with blends and colorways. Here's the tube. For reference, this wooden board is almost the exact same size as this entire blending board, but the fabric here is smaller, and it looks like it's not as dense. So this is a coarser carding cloth, less tines per inch. Interesting. Okay, now let's see what's in the third box, because it also came with all the burnishing brushes and stuff. That's really cool. Now, which one is the extra? Because I did not order this. Okay, it's another of the value ones. That is so interesting, because I totally did not order 2 of these, and I just checked and there's only 1 on my order page. So I don't know why they sent me 3. But considering how much I paid for shipping, I'm quite happy to have gotten a third one. Oh my goodness. So here we have all this stuff. Don't fall off. Oh, come on. There we go. So there we have everything that comes with the 2 blending boards and the blending boards themselves. So I'm shocked. Thank you, brother, for the extra drum carder that I didn't order. I really appreciate it. I was really upset about the cost of shipping, but now that a free blending board was included in that cost of shipping, I can't complain anymore because that is like amazing, and I did want to order multiples of these, so I literally cannot complain. I'm very, very happy. Thank you so, so much, Brother Drum Carter, for the free extra blending board gift. That's fantastic. It is the smaller blending board that I now have 2 of, which I happen to like the looks of better. It's not gonna be as easy to change the keel. I think that's what this is called. But no, I've not looked at the instructions that come with it. I'm just winging it, you know. So I've got 2 of these now, and I'm thinking I'm going to use these for vending purposes and maybe put them up for sale. We'll see. I wish I could just buy a whole bunch of these and sell them in my shop. Unfortunately, with the cost of shipping these days, I don't want my customers to have to pay twice. So if you really want a blending board or a drum carder, they're not listed in my shop, but I will work with you on getting one if you want. We can just do it through email and figure it out. Only thing I don't like about this one is there's nowhere to grab it except the handle. So here they are. Very nice blending boards. This one is way heavier. The wood is thicker and it's a lot heavier. Okay, this is their standard blending board. This is the budget blending board, and they have another one that's like their deluxe blending board, and I was not going to spend over $300 for a blending board, so I didn't get that one this time around, but maybe one day I'll be able to. So this is a special treat, and I will be making a comparison video of my 3 blending boards. The one my kid made for me, this one, the standard brother, and the budget brother, and we will see how much fiber fits on the smaller one versus the other 2, and is this the same size as my other one? Does it hold a full ounce? All of those things, all of those questions will be answered in the next blending board comparison video that will be coming out probably next month. We will see, because I have a lot going on over the next couple of months, so it might be an August video. I don't know. I'm not sure. It'll happen when it happens, y'all. We will see, because I'm antsy to make more roll eggs, and I'm antsy to try out these blending boards, so it may come out sooner than I anticipate. We'll see. Anyways, if you like this video and you want to see more blending board fun, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you have a blending board, what brand do you have? And if you want to get one, what are the features that you're looking for? All right, and with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me and opening these fun blending boards with me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.